Hi guys, today I will explain how to import Dropbox Media in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and sign in your account, which you want to connect with the Dropbox. As you can see, I already signed in my account. The next thing is, click on the option to create a new video to get access to the timeline. Once you are on the timeline of Clipchamp, you will see multiple options. But from here, take a look on the left top. You will see the option of Import. You don't have to click on this option Import, just click on this arrow. And here you can see the option of Dropbox in order to connect it. Click on it and tap on the option to continue. And there you can see my PC browser has been open. Now it's asking for sign in your Dropbox to connect it with your Clipchamp. Here you have to choose that account of Dropbox. Once you enter your email, you can click on the option, continue, and write your password and confirm it. Then your Dropbox will be connected with your Clip, and it was the way by which you can import data easily.